Hey y'all, my name is Edgar. I'm a learning strategist as part of the Evolve 365 team here at Planet Technologies. We're back with another tips and tricks video. And today, we're here to explore the latest experience available for us as we sign into our cloud productivity platform, Microsoft 365 Online. Let's see what's new and what we can do to make the most of our experience. While the look has changed, all of those key resources that we need to be our most effective are still there waiting for us here in the Microsoft 365 menu on the left. At the top, we'll find search. We can look for colleagues, apps, sites, files, and more. As we enter that search term or keyword, Microsoft 365 searches across several types of resources to help us quickly find and locate our content or one another. We're continuing to see Copilot features, of course, further integrated into many of our productivity and online experiences. And as we sign into Microsoft 365, Copilot Chat is ready to go. Provide a prompt and iterate with Copilot to create content, seek insight and advice, and streamline productivity in impressive new ways. With the understanding that several of our productivity apps are available online, we can return to the left menu here in Microsoft 365 and click Create. Choose the type of file or document, browse several templates, and begin working immediately without the need to open individual applications. And one of the most notable changes as part of our new Microsoft 365 experience is the departure of the App Launcher from the upper left-hand corner. And while the App Launcher is still visible in our individual apps, we can visit this Apps menu on the left to access our applications and pin them quickly for immediate access. Sign into Microsoft 365 and see what it's all about, and discover new ways to access key resources and be your most productive. Thanks for watching. Take care.